An underrated and overlooked vegetable is called the jicama. It kind of looks like the potato. It's a root vegetable. However, when it's being cooked, after it's being cooked, it's actually a lot more firm and crispy. And that's why I love it. And the taste is so great. So the reason why I found it is about 7 or 8 months ago, I was eating like a lot of potatoes. I love potatoes, but I want to try something different. So I actually picked up the jicama. Kind of looked like potato, kind of was hard like potato. But like I said, when I cooked it, the texture was so much better. And also, I have a easy, healthy recipe that just makes it so delicious. Essentially, what I do is I preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I actually peel not the potato, but the jicama, and then I dice it, and then I put just olive oil, salt, and my preference is chipotle powder, but you could use whatever seasoning you want. You mix it up, and then you throw it in the oven for 400 degrees, anywhere between 45 to 55 minutes. I like a little bit longer because I like a little bit crispy on the outside. But when it comes out and when you taste it, it is so good. It goes well with so many dishes as a side dish. And here's the thing, it has a lot less glycemic index than potatoes, so therefore your blood sugar remains balanced. It has a lot of fiber, it has a lot of probiotics or prebiotics that actually feed your microbiome, because your microbiome needs to eat on prebiotics because it's their food in order for them to grow. And if they don't get that food, then they start eating your insides, creating a leaky gut. So you want to continue to fill up on fiber, and the jicama is filled with a lot of fiber. So definitely try out that jicama recipe. It is so tasty. Like I said, not an undeserved, but an underrated, often overlooked vegetable that should be made even more. And I've been doing it every weekend, eating it because I really do love it. So again, my name is Brandon Drake. I work for labsmarts.com as a business development consultant, aka the healthy data guy, because I believe in using data to make informed health decisions. In this case, I'm using data to make healthy, tasty decisions. Peace.